Hello everyone, it's me Nicole, and today we're going to do unboxing time. So let's see, what do we have? So each bag, it cost me $5. Let's see what do we have in this bag. Let's open it. Wow, what is that? Oh my god, this is so cute. Look at this. It's a NICOLE'S. Oh my god, look at this, guys, for $7. Like, here's the price. Shows $7.09. So look. So I have this beautiful nickel for $5 plus a lot of items. So look at this beautiful nickel, and here in the back it shows the price. It's $7.90. So let's try it on. This is the first one. I love it. It's so cute. And the second one is this one. It's a simple one, classic, but I love it. If you want, you can put the three of them, and this one is the third. So cute, huh? So I'm going to try the nickel. So this is the ankle nickel that I got from the bag surprise from Ardene, and I'm going to try it now. Okay, so look at this. It's a beautiful ankle nickel. I love it. It's so cute. So let's try it. My socks. I have to take care of my socks. And this one is the first one. So let's try the first one. Let's push it up a little bit so you can see well. Hold on. Okay, this one is the first one. Oh my god, it's so cute. Wow, look at this. So beautiful. Let me see. So look at, guys, look. This is the first one. I want to show you. You can see well. I'm going to stand up. So this is the first one. So this is the first one. This is the second one. Oh my god, it's beautiful. The second one, let's check the second one. This one is that one. Is very simple, but it's still cute, you know. It's still cute. Still cute. So this one is the second one. So I like it. It's so cute too. Look at this. I love it. This is the classic one. So let's try it. I love it. So let's see for the next item. So I'm going to show you guys here because I find it's more easy for you guys so you can see properly all the items that I got. So this is the first item that I have. The beautiful ankle nickel, okay? So who's the next one? What's it? Oh yeah, this one. socks of Ardene. These socks cost $7.99, but I got them $5 just for $5, and this extra price. And the texture is like that. It comes with a beautiful these 3 buttons. I love it. Just for $5, and the real price is $7.90. So we have that, and another socks. This is just happy. Another socks, and I like it. Let's try it on. So cute, huh? I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, so we have that, and we have this beautiful. What is that? So the first one is a key ring. Look at this, a beautiful key ring. That's so cute, like that. So cute. This the real price is $8.90. So cute. And the last one, we have a clip for your hair. I love it. So we can try it if you want. Let's try it. Want to try it? So this one, it was the first surprise bag from Ardene. So we have how many items? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 items for $5. It's really good. The price is insane. For $5, you have 2 pairs of socks. You have a beautiful ankle nickel. You have a clip for your hair, and also you have a key ring. This beautiful key ring. Okay. Pues, en español. Pues fui a Ardene y me compré bastantes bolsitas sorpresa de la tienda de Ardene, y pues ya lo he abierto uno, pero quiero mostrarles qué es lo que yo tengo acá. Son 5 items o 5 productos que están en esta bolsita de sorpresa. Y el primero, el primero era este que es por acá, no sé si lo ven. Son como unas cadenitas para el tobillo, tobilleras, muy bonito. Y también unos calcetines estos que están bien bonitos igual, que ya me los he puesto un par. Y otro que son unos calcetines talla alta, con un diseño de botones. Y también tengo este clip para el cabello, y el llavero para tu cartera, todo por $5. Si gustan, pues vayan a la tienda de Ardene. Tiene muchas cosas interesantes. A mí me encanta ir a la tienda de Ardene porque tienen tantos productos que a las chicas nos encantan. Espero que les haya gustado este video. Hemos abierto la primera paquete, y el segundo paquete lo vamos a abrir en mi próximo video en YouTube. Así que por favor, si les ha gustado este video, denle un like, comenten abajito, comenten cualquier pregunta que quieran. Si quieren preguntar acerca de Ardene o cualquier otra pregunta, pues pregunten abajito en la cajita de comentarios. Y también si quieren ayudarme a hacer más videos en mi canal en YouTube, por favor suscríbanse, me van a ayudar bastante. Les mando muchos besos, y que Dios los bendiga. Nos vemos en mi próximo video de Unboxing Time with Nicole. Vamos a abrir otras bolsitas, y la próxima vez voy a mostrarles qué es lo que tengo bastantes. Ok, so lindo día, bye bye. So guys, this is the end of this video. Hope you like my video, and I'm going to see you in my next video, and it's gonna be unboxing time with Nicole. If you want to support my channel, please tap like, comment down below, and subscribe so you can support my channel and I can make more videos for you guys, live videos. I'm gonna see you in my next unboxing time with Nicole. So we have a lot of bags to open it. So I'm gonna see you in my next unboxing time with Nicole. Please take care of yourself, smile, and I love you guys. Bye bye.